all of a sudden you see a truck pull up by your house and your heart starts pumping and you realize there's my 360 photo booth. Yeah. All right, guys. So thank you for your questions today. 2 big questions were actually from 2 people from the community. From Natasha, she asked, "Can you put the links to where you got your lights and power banks, please?" Absolutely. I do have a video out, and in that video, I go over all the stuff that I purchased from my 360 photo booth. But let's go ahead and jump into Amazon. I have Amazon here open somewhere. And so when I'm at them, okay, so these are the RGB lights right here. These are the ones that I bought. I bought a total of 4. So this is the name with the RGB lights. Let me go ahead and just click on it in here. I like these lights, one, because the amount of room that you have for height and adjustment. So these are perfect. One of my concerns when I was buying the RGB lights along with the tripod was thinking, I wonder if the tripod is going to be really flimsy and cheap. And quite honestly, it's not the most durable and it's not cheap, because I've been on both extremes. This is reliable. This is totally reliable. And remember, when you have the stands here and you make it a little bit wider, you're going to get a lot more stability. So I definitely recommend these particular ones that I ordered. I'm so happy with them. In fact, I'm thinking of buying an extra one. Reason why is one of the little kids, he was just wild on that event, and he knocked down one of my RGB lights. And when the RGB light fell, it cracked the door to the battery here. These are integrated batteries, but I was able to pop the battery door back in there, and the thing's charging just fine. But it's always good to have extra stuff. Let's see. And also she asked, power banks. Oh, power banks. Like I said, guys, those are my best. Those are my buddies when I go to events, because I have a total of 3 power banks. One is like a major power bank, which I made a video about. I believe it's called the Anchor 521. Check that video out. When you start making money, you should definitely buy one of those. Those are gonna be awesome. Even if you go camping or anywhere outdoors, you could take that with you, man. It's amazing. It's reliable. But so these are the 2 of them that I bought. I bought a 25,800 millihertz, and I also bought a 36,800 millihertz. This one has 3. Everything I'm saying is right here. I just noticed. So this one has 3 outlets for USB, and it has a Type-C for faster charging. This right here is dope because I can connect my iPad the whole entire event, whether it's 1 hour or 2 hours. I can leave my iPad connected to this power bank, and also my little portable mobile hotspot, I leave it connected to this power bank as well. So my iPad never turns off. And this right here, I would say within 2 hours, like there's 5 LED lights, and that shows you how much life is left. I usually just go to like 1 light, meaning I can use this for like another 2-3 events. This thing right here, super reliable. This one right here in the bottom is a little bit smaller. It's a 25,800. This is the one I put on the arm of the 360 photo booth, and this keeps my light and the ring light, the original light your photo booth comes with. It's gonna have a USB type, and you can connect that to this right here, and then this one has an extra outlet where you can connect an extra cable to your iPhone. So whatever iPhone you're using to record, you can have it connected to your power bank. So you can have 2 items on the arm connected to this power bank. So this is so perfect because I leave my phone connected the entire time throughout the whole event. And like I said, these things, man, they become your buddies. So to answer your question, that's where I got my power banks, and I got them on Amazon. The price, let's check out the price. $27 right now. They're 15% off. Go grab them for sure. At least one. You're gonna need one of these, guys. Well, maybe you're gonna need 2. I mean, 2 would be great to have. Trust me on that one. Okay, so I believe Danielle, she asked questions for you. I love the way she she numbered them 1 through 4. That's dope. I like that. That shows that, when it comes to documents and contracts and stuff, I'm sure you're gonna do well in that aspect. So she wrote, who did you use to put your logo on your 360? Oh, okay, cool. Good news. If you order directly from Cindy, and Cindy's information is in the description, you can click the link. That'll take you to her Instagram. You guys can start talking about ideas and prices on Instagram. She has a bunch of videos of a bunch of 360 photo booths. Once you guys decide what size you want, then she's going to ask for you guys to send her your logo. So what they do is they place your logo on a 360 photo booth, and then they ship out the 360 photo booth to your residence. And I love it because it's door to door, so you don't worry about customs or anything. You just, all of a sudden you see a truck pull up by your house, and your heart starts pumping, and you realize there's my 360 photo booth. Yeah. All right. Question number 2, please provide me with Cindy's info. Oh, okay. So I guess I answered that question already. Moving forward, to make it easier for you guys and for me too, because I have to keep on typing this stuff out, I'm going to put Cindy's information in the description of every video I put out. And also, if you use the word Canary, you're going to get a discount on top of the price you're getting just from buying overseas. Question number 3, do I need a sharing station, and what is that exactly? Do I need a TV like the one you have? Well, to answer the first part of your question on number 3, do you need a sharing station? You do not need a sharing station. Okay. And what is that exactly? So an iPad sharing station is this. This is considered a sharing station. And what this is it's going to allow the people at the event to come over to the iPad and select their video and download it to their phone. That's what it's going to be. And the way you make that work is activating an event on TouchPix on your iPad. Now, just make sure that your iPad has either a SIM card with data in it, or that you have a reliable Wi-Fi when you are at an event, so that you can use your iPad to connect with videos you're recording on your phone. So the videos get uploaded to the iPad, and your attendees come over to the iPad as a sharing station, and they download the video. So that answers that question. And guys, in the beginning, trust me, I get it. I started off with less than $3,000, and this TV I got for $90 on OfferUp. And you have to look for good deals. You don't need a TV right away. You don't need an iPad sharing station right away. All you really need at the end of the day, guys, is a booth. And that's it, a 360 photo booth and a decent light. This is one of the lights I'm gonna be giving out on the 31st of this month. So if you went on my Instagram and you posted your picture of your 360 photo booth, or the order transaction for your 360 photo booth, you're entered into the drawing to win a U200. That's that light right there. It's high quality light. So this is all you really need. And the TouchPix application, in the very beginning, you can start off just like that. Just because it's, like I said, that's exactly what you need. But when you want to have a bigger, better presentation, then you start buying other items. But that, do with time. Right now, just focus on you staying busy and your marketing, and then start adding equipment. I'm going to go over the equipment pretty soon too, guys. All right, so there. With that being said, let's go jump on to number 4. How much do you charge your customers for a 360 photo booth? Where did you buy your RGB lights? Okay, so we covered the RGB lights. Those you can get on Amazon. And then thank you so much for your time, and thank you for helping us rookies. I will probably send you the same message on your Instagram page. Well, all right. Consistency. I love it. You got to just, push for questions, and you're going to get answers. Baby, good job. All right. So how much do I charge my customers? Let's go over to my website here. And then I'm going to go over to pricing and booking right here. I'm going to show you exactly how I break it down. So and this is going to be this is actually a really important conversation we're about to have. And I should make one specific video elaborating on what I'm about to just touch on the surface right now. Depending on your demographics and area you're in and your competition, that's going to pretty much dictate how much you guys can charge hourly. Whatever you do, do not lowball yourself. Do not go out there and put up a 360 photo booth for less than $200. It's just, you're not valuing your time. You're not giving yourself enough credit, and you are showing the client that what you're offering is not a high value. And a 360 photo booth is a high value thing. It creates memories they can hold on to forever. And this new modern day concept of having a 360 photo booth of your event with added effects, with family members and friends tied into that video, is something that can share with the rest of the world. And that's a big deal. This is past the whole regular photo booth where you just get a square strip of photos. This is actual video. This shows movement. This is body language. It's an amazing concept. And when you're at an event, you're soon going to realize that the gas is expensive. You have to drive there. You have to consider gas as one of your expenses and put that into your budget sheet. If you don't have, like for me, for example, I don't have a van. So every time I have an event, I have to rent a van. So I have to take that into consideration and factor that into my cost, right? When you guys get familiar with TouchPix, you're going to realize that TouchPix, they charge per subscription. Right now it's at $50 a week. So that means that if you give TouchPix $50, they'll give you access to their system for a whole 7 days. That means you can do as many events as you want within that 7-day period. You got to factor that in. That's a negative $50. So at the end of the day, you might think like, David, you're charging $399 an hour. Isn't that a lot? No, it's not a lot, because you're standing there the whole entire time. You're managing, you're orchestrating a piece of that event. Guys, you guys are professionals. You guys are 360 photo booth operators. And also it all depends to what you're offering in your package. Like I clicked on my read now or read more, and it takes the customer over to this part of the section where it says service description. So right here, for 1 hour service includes all the following, right? And then I wrote 360 photo booth holds up to 4 people. And then I go down the list so they know exactly what to expect for the rate that they are paying, because you're going to have competitors and they might be more expensive than you are, or they may be charging a little less than you are. But at the end of the day, you want to have information that's going to come off as, okay, I see why this is relevant to the price that they are charging, right? So put all this good stuff in it. And if you have more stuff than I do, slap that on there as well. I just happen to do it this way. By the way, if you guys like this right here, what I'm doing right now, comment. Let me know if you guys like this type of interaction. In fact, this is my very first Q&A video that I do ever since I started the channel about 2 months ago, since I recorded this video here today. And so this is the breakdown to answer your question, how much I charge hourly, $3.99. But if we back up a little bit, I'm gonna teach you methods to really get the customer. Is you offer them money discount. You offer them a big money discount. So for example, if they go to book now and they use code Clover, they'll get $100 off their 1 hour rate. This is also achievable if you want to use it on your 2 hours. By the way, for the 2 hours, I give a small discount. It's $6.99 for 2 hours. And just go here really quick again, read more. And it's the same description of showing what it includes. The only difference is plus a 10% discount on your next booking. If they love your service and they're like super pleased, trust me, they're going to recommend you to their other businesses. They're going to recommend you to their friends or family, so they can always apply that discount for their next booking. That's the beauty of, offering people deals is, it's good. It's a way for them to feel like, hey, I'm getting a discount, and it feels good when you get a discount. Anywhere you go in life, no matter what part of the country you're in, when you get a discount, it's like, oh, that's nice. And sometimes, you take that discount, and sometimes you're like, okay, I appreciate the discount, but here's a tip, and it kind of like balances things out. But wow, I really went off on that one. So how much you charge? Okay, so we answered that question really well. Where do you buy? Okay. Thank you. Okay, so this is, okay, I think I am cool. Whoa, man, this video was nice. This video was dope. I think I lost track of time. I don't even know how long I've been recording for, but like right now I'm just super passionate about this. I am lost in the moment. I'm helping you guys as much as I can. Like I said, most of the information that you guys asked me for will be used to make more material like this to help you guys out in your journey. But also please, and I really mean it, please, check out the videos that I've already made, because if you guys ask me questions and it's a question that I answered by making a whole entire video, I feel like you guys are not really going through this library of things that I'm putting together for the community. And it would really help me if you guys really find that information in my channel. And if you don't find it anywhere, please, this is the part where you guys just have to let me know what's on your mind so that I can continue making content that's fresh and it's relevant, right? I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe, like, peace.